It's like I actually ask questions now. Like, oh, that's what the reporters be asking. That's how they be getting trapped with people. They really get in the references and those actual fact-based type of like, where did you get this from? Where did you pull this from? What internet browser did you? Like, it all matters. It really does. Because now you can see who's bullshitting and where they got. They probably just made up some source. And a lot of news gets passed by made up shit. And so now I know how to actually fight back. So when y'all be talking to when men get into lies and shit like that, y'all already know the formats. You already know the MLA, APA. You know of a nigga. Like, y'all know. Ain't no way we can get around it. Like, nigga, this is not a full paragraph. You already talking to half sentences. You lying already. You already lying. Like, we already know. That verb don't go with this adjective. Like, what do you? That's a lie already. Because how would you? What? Who, what, when, where's, and why's? Y'all know. Like, shit. Women been smart since inception. Since day one. Men have been stupid since day one. Inception. Can't get right. Sophia, I got to say, this is like the easiest facial because you have really done great work because we normally don't finish like this. This is...
We've been on this table for hours. It feels like this one just feels like 5 minutes.
And it's the same tools. I ain't missing nothing. Like we always do extractions. We always do the blading. We always do, the peel and cleanser and the brush and same stuff. Like, we've been doing great. Now you're gonna see redness in certain areas because your face is hypersensitive to like chemical peels. It's always red a little bit when we do the peel anyway. That's why we only do like 1, maybe 2 passes, but 2 is even pushing it. And the skin will calm down, just like maybe 2 hours. Forget the most and get back to normal.
I have a little jade roller too, so if I feel
okay.
See, I've been reading. I've been trying to cure myself. Shoot.
I hear you. No one is the best. The best doctor is yourself. Like, you know yourself.
You have to know your body. Yeah.
And we always depend on somebody else to cure us. So, I gotta go to the doctor. Yo, you could have been eating right all your life, or most of your life. You'd be fine. And so your mom, like, she works out and stuff like that. So she's gonna be. I'm pretty sure there's people in her where she grew up, like high school. Like, even for me, there's a lot of my friends have passed away years. I'm like, wait a minute, how you pass away in your late 20s, your early 30s? What the hell's wrong with you? Like, what are you doing? People are balding. I'm like, yo, you are not supposed to have, like LeBron James, for instance. I'm like, yo,
oh yes,
he's still young. People think he old. I'm like, no,
he's young.
LeBron is young. He just looks. He got a full-grown beard, the Drake beard. I guess everybody's trying to do the beard thing. And I want to be older, but look at his hair in the back. It's all going away. It's like hallucinating. Same thing with my friends. They all like balding. I'm like, dude, you are 38 years old. What's wrong with you? What is going on? What is going on in your life that's making your hair stressed like this?
Exactly.
Like, come on. Maybe 45 and older, you're supposed to bald out. You're supposed to get bald past that time, but not before it. When you're in your 30s, you go bald. Yeah, you're stressed. Like, something's not right.
Something's off, yeah.
And it's a lot like a lot. People have died on the job. Like a lot of police officers that I used to know passed away. I'm like, wait, the dude was 46 years old. What happened? He was in shape. But just because you're in shape doesn't mean...
It's all about, like, what's inside. Like, what are you...
That's right. What are you holding on to?
Yeah.
What is your family life? Like, I can only imagine coming home, like I said, in COVID, and have, like, 3 or 4 kids running around. My wife getting on my nerves, or let's just say reverse. Say your husband's getting on your nerves. Say I'm getting on her nerves. Do you really need that when you come home? You already have a stressful ass job at your job. The last thing you fucking need is somebody telling you that sleeps next to you that you wrong, you fucked up. I'm gonna argue with you every fucking day. Like,
yeah.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I can't keep that shit. And I love. Don't get me wrong. Everybody should have somebody. Yes, it is great being bunned up, booed up, side pieced up, all the good stuff. Cinnabon now and later.
You are so stupid.
The reason feels great, but it's not worth your sanity. It's not worth going to jail because you knifed up somebody and they chopped his dick off because you were so mad. Like, really? That's mutilation. That's literally close to murder.
Yeah.
You get years for that. Mutilation is bad. Like Lorena Bobbitt, she still did like a year. Or Good Behavior, she did like 5. And got off easy with 2 years. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you literally cut off a guy's penis. Like, yeah, you
Throw it out the window.
Yeah, right down the road. Right, they found it, sewed it back on. He's a porn star. I'm like, no, this shit is crazy. Lord, love is not worth all that shit.
No. Love should be simple, not too much.
Right. And then Cardi B shit going on. I'm like, Offset, you fucking idiot.
He's crazy.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, his partner and one of his buddies living his best life with his girlfriend. Shoot.
That's
He
right.
said, you stupid.
Crazy. Violent for real. Damn. We'll put on a nice moisturizer. Really good.
That's what I'm trying to figure out too. A good moisturizer.
Well, this one is just vitamin E, vitamin E, argan oil, almond oil, and grapeseed.
Okay.
All of them have really, really great benefit properties for all your skin. Everybody's skin type, so you can't go wrong. And so when everybody says, "Oh, I need this vitamin E, fatty acid, omega-3, whatever," I'm like, you do know grapeseed. All these oils pretty much have vitamin E in them. They have other vitamins in them sometimes if you mix it, like argan or shea butter. Shea butter is a little bit thicker, and that's why it doesn't really penetrate to the skin too much. It just sits on top of the face because it's too thick to actually penetrate in. Grapeseed is thin. Almond oil is thin. Argan oil is thin. And vitamin E. Wait, did I already say? No, almond oil, vitamin E, argan oil, grapeseed, yeah. So all 4 of those oils are like the thinnest. And jojoba is up there as well. But jojoba oil, if I'm trying to find a good quality jojoba oil, sometimes you're just buying crap. You don't even know, like, really, is this real good jojoba oil? I would try to find like a natural store or somewhere people can break stuff down to you. Now, the store-bought stuff, it does have those properties in it, but sometimes they do put something else.
To preserve it or something.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Make it thicker and cheaper for the consumer, but you're really not getting the full vitamin E. Yeah, so remember right here where we went over with the blade, you're going to see it kind of like bubbling up or swelling. That's like the inflammation or acne underneath raising up to the surface of the skin and being flushed out.
Okay.
Yeah, we're looking good. And I'm still kind of tingly. If you still need to put ice on it, you can. I just put moisturizer on it just to keep the skin from cracking and having issues. But that was it. That was like the fastest.
That was the fastest ever.
And look, like, we always have like something to show you. Like, hey, this is what we did. I like your nails.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, we didn't have any. I didn't skip over you like.
I know. It's everything that I remember you doing. It just went by fast. I'm super happy.
You're doing your thing. Just light. I forget how to turn the light off. I don't know. I think I can hold it or. Oh, there we go. Yeah. You know, Asian people, the Asian fans, they be
fancy.
I know. I'm like, how you get a light in there? I would have never known if I didn't hold it. Actually, it was one of my clients, and she held it, but she held the button like she was just holding it. I was like, what? There's a light in there. And she's like, oh yeah, I was holding the button. I was like, oh, that's how that comes on. And I didn't even know. All these years, I had this thing maybe 4 years. Didn't know. Crazy. Oh man, it was wonderful. Thank you.